What if we aren't alone in the universe? What if out there civilizations far more advanced than ours exist? These questions have haunted the curious minds of humanity for centuries, if not millennia. The concept of extraterrestrial life, of beings from other worlds, isn't new. In fact, it's as old as our oldest myths and legends. But as we've grown, as we've learned more about the cosmos, these age-old questions have taken on a new, more scientific form. Consider the vastness of the universe. It's an expanse so large, so infinite, that our minds can barely comprehend it. The number of galaxies, each filled with billions of stars, each star potentially surrounded by planets, is staggering. In such a cosmic playground, the odds that we are alone, that life exists only here on Earth, seem almost infinitesimally small. This brings us to two of the most intriguing concepts in the search for extraterrestrial life: the Fermi paradox and the Drake equation. Named after physicist Enrico Fermi, the Fermi paradox is the apparent contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of contact or evidence for such civilizations. If there are so many potential homes for life out there in the cosmos, where is everybody? The Drake equation, on the other hand, is a probabilistic argument used to estimate the number of active, communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy. It considers factors such as the rate of star formation, the fraction of those stars with planetary systems, and the number of planets that could potentially support life. According to some calculations, the number of advanced civilizations in our galaxy alone could be in the millions. So the question remains, what if we aren't alone? What if somewhere out there civilizations far more advanced than ours exist, civilizations that have mastered technologies and concepts that we can't even begin to comprehend? Could it be that we are merely toddlers in a playground filled with cosmic giants? Consider for a moment the advancements that could be possible for an alien civilization. It's a thought that ignites the imagination, isn't it? Now let's take a step back and look at our own journey of progress. Humans, in just a few thousand years, have evolved from discovering fire to developing smartphones that fit snugly in our pockets. In the grand cosmic calendar, it's as if we've moved from carving wheels out of stone to sending artificial satellites into space in the blink of an eye. Our technological progress has been nothing short of extraordinary. We've split atoms, mapped the human genome, and even touched the moon. We've developed artificial intelligence that can learn, adapt, and even create. We've harnessed energy in numerous forms, from the raw power of fossil fuels to the clean, sustainable energy of wind and solar. But let's shift our gaze from the familiar to the unknown, from our blue and green planet to the vast star-studded cosmos. Imagine a civilization that's not hundreds, not thousands, but millions of years ahead of us. What kind of technology might they possess? Perhaps they've mastered interstellar travel, routinely hopping from one star system to another. Maybe they've developed advanced AI that makes our current technology look like child's play. They could have learned to manipulate energy and matter in ways we can't even fathom. They might have energy sources so efficient and powerful that they can harness the energy of an entire star or even a galaxy. They could have the ability to manipulate time and space, bending it to their will. They may have discovered the secrets of life itself, mastering the art of creating, preserving, and even resurrecting life. And if we, with our brief history, have achieved so much, imagine what a civilization millions of years older might have accomplished. Our imaginations have often been a precursor to our inventions. This statement rings true, especially when we look at the field of science fiction, a genre that has long been a playground for flights of fancy, and yet many of its fantastical inventions have leapt off the pages and onto our work desks and into our pockets. Consider the ubiquitous flip phones of the 90s and early noughties, which were strikingly similar to the communicators on Star Trek. Or how about the tablets and touchscreens we swipe on daily? They were also once mere imaginings in the minds of sci-fi writers. These are but a few examples of how our dreams have pushed the boundaries of the possible. But while we've made strides in making science fiction a reality, we must also acknowledge our limitations. Our imaginations are bound by our experiences, our knowledge, and our understanding of the universe. We dream up teleportation devices and warp drives based on our understanding of physics, yet our grasp of these concepts is still evolving. Each new discovery opens up new possibilities, but also highlights how much more there is to learn. And this brings us to the tantalizing notion of alien technology. If we accept that our imaginations are somewhat shackled by our understanding of the universe, then we must also consider that an alien civilization, potentially millions of years more advanced than us, could possess technology that surpasses our wildest dreams. They may have solved problems we don't yet know exist, mastered sciences we've yet to discover, and harnessed energies we can't even conceive of. So when we gaze at the stars and wonder about extraterrestrial life, we must remember that our imaginations are but a starting point. We are like children trying to comprehend the works of a master artist, limited by our own inexperience and understanding. Yet, the very act of imagining, of reaching for the stars, pushes us to learn, to grow, and to strive for the seemingly impossible. What if alien technology is so advanced, it appears as magic to us? Now let us ponder the implications of existing alongside such advanced civilizations. The prospect of encountering advanced alien civilizations is both exhilarating and terrifying. On one hand, we have the potential for an unprecedented exchange of knowledge. Imagine the scientific and technological leaps we could make if we had the opportunity to learn from a civilization that has been around for millions, perhaps billions, of years longer than ours. The cure for cancer, the solution to climate change, the secrets of faster-than-light travel, all these and more could be within our grasp. However, there's also a darker side to this coin. As history has shown us time and again, when a technologically superior civilization encounters a less advanced one, the results can be disastrous for the latter. Exploitation, subjugation, even extermination. These are all possibilities we must consider. And it's not just physical harm we need to worry about. The cultural shock of such an encounter could shake the very foundations of our society, leading to widespread chaos and conflict. This brings us to the Great Filter theory, which suggests that the reason we haven't encountered any advanced alien civilizations yet is because they self-destruct before they reach a level where they can make contact with others. This could be due to a variety of reasons, from nuclear war to environmental catastrophe to artificial intelligence run amok. So if there are advanced alien civilizations out there, their existence could serve as a cautionary tale for humanity. They could show us the potential pitfalls of technological advancement and provide us with a roadmap to avoid them. Or they could serve as a beacon of hope, showing us what we could achieve if we manage to overcome our own challenges and continue our journey into the cosmos. Could it be that our future, like theirs, is a race between enlightenment and self-destruction? As we gaze upon the stars, we find ourselves filled with wonder and a touch of fear, a sentiment that has resonated through our discourse today. We've journeyed from the galactic question of alien existence and compared civilizations across light years. We've waded through the waters of alien technology and human imagination and grappled with the implications of advanced alien civilizations. Now, as we draw to a close, let's revisit the main points. The universe, with its mind-boggling vastness and age, presents a cosmic stage so grand it's hard to believe we're the only actors. Given the sheer number of galaxies, stars, and planets, the possibility of advanced alien life seems not only probable, but almost inevitable. Yet the nature of such life remains a mystery. If we are to encounter beings from beyond our world, will they be microbial life forms or civilizations so advanced that our greatest technological marvels seem like child's play to them? The spectrum of possibilities is as wide as the universe itself. The discovery of advanced alien life would undoubtedly revolutionize our understanding of our place in the cosmos. The benefits could be immense, from technological advancements to philosophical insights. However, it's prudent to remember that such a discovery might also bear risks. Would these advanced beings be benevolent explorers, indifferent observers, or something less benign? It's a question that we can only speculate upon. In this cosmic narrative, it's crucial to remember that the universe doesn't conform to our hopes or fears. It simply is. Yet that shouldn't dampen our sense of wonder or our thirst for exploration. On the contrary, it should encourage us to keep an open mind, to question, to learn, and to grow. As we continue to gaze upon the stars, let's carry with us the spirit of curiosity and the courage to embrace whatever the cosmos may reveal. For in the grand cosmic play, we are but fledgling actors, eager for the next act.